Next we have Chris Fillinger with ScaleOut Software.
Good morning, everyone. Really excited to be here. I've been in this industry now a year and a half, so very excited to be part of all of this. I run business development and marketing for ScaleOut Software. Before I get into talking about how we capture perishable insights before the moment is lost, a little bit about who we are. ScaleOut Software enables operational intelligence by storing, updating, and analyzing fast-changing data to capture perishable insights, we like to say, before the moment is lost. Now, we've been around for a little over a decade. We achieved this by combining in-memory data grids with a data parallel compute engine. We are production proven with over 425 customers. Here's a little sample of the vertical industries and customer types. And you see that in-memory computing is really important across the board in everything we do. Now, I don't know if you guys remember this. Who remembers this? Last year on the same day, where did that come from? We had 3 incidents. United Airlines had to ground its entire fleet. The Wall Street Journal website went down, and the New York Stock Exchange halted trading. More recently, earlier this year, Google had its first traffic accident with an autonomous vehicle. On that first example, people thought cyber terrorism and attacks, but what actually happened was really our legacy automation systems can't keep up with the demands of our real world. And real-time platforms for self-driving cars just aren't mature yet. Gartner talks about traditional business intelligence can no longer keep up with the velocity of data. The problem is we need these immediate insights now more than ever. So some examples you see, I'm sure everyone can relate to, whether it's in e-commerce, being able to serve up context-aware recommendations in the moment, brick and mortar retail that's trying to keep up with the digitization, being able to offer personalized, individualized offers in the moment, in store to your customers. We heard all about financial services this morning from Barclays. The Internet of Things, of course, the holy grail of being able to correlate millions of streams of data. Or the industrial IoT, manufacturing. Imagine a smart factory floor where you can predict failures before they occur. And healthcare informatics, which is now allowing clinicians to improve patient outcomes and by being able to monitor patients no matter where they are. What all these applications have in common is the need to analyze data in real time and provide immediate insights to these live systems. It's something that we call operational intelligence. Now, I want to share with you just a very short video that kind of in a non-technical fashion explains this.
Data equals intelligence. So you analyze data for insights on customers, market trends, or whatever's crucial to your business. Like, say, this guy's shopping behavior. He's checking out this new grill, but he'd be really interested in this. His history shows he's that type of high-end customer, and you have a current offer on it. Unfortunately, your traditional business intelligence can't gather and analyze his data in that moment, so you get stuck with a small sale. See, when data has to go through your server, into your data warehouse, and then finally generate a report, it can take hours or even days, and that's too late. You have the data. You just need to analyze it instantly. That's operational intelligence, and that's what ScaleOut can do. ScaleOut is a software platform that gives you the power to perform in-memory computing on live, fast-changing data. Crazy, right? Basically, ScaleOut stores, updates, and continuously analyzes data to give you immediate feedback. By storing live data in memory across a cluster of servers, ScaleOut can take incoming, ever-updating data streams, enrich them with historical information, analyze them in parallel, and deliver relevant feedback exactly when you need it. This isn't just business intelligence, it's operational intelligence. So now, when your guy's looking at this, your system has the insight to offer him this. And whether your business is retail, finance, media, Internet of Things, whatever, ScaleOut gives you the instant insight you need to act when it matters most, right now, before the moment is lost. Learn more at scaleoutsoftware.com.
Thank you. Let's see here. So what the video showed is basically how we need to evolve business intelligence to operational intelligence. We're moving from very large static data sets and batch processing to real-time live data sets. Basically, anytime you need to track live data to immediately identify trends and capture opportunities and provide feedback, provide immediate feedback to ever-changing situations. In-memory computing is really the secret sauce that enables that operational intelligence for mission-critical applications at scale. Like I mentioned earlier, combining the data grid with an integrated compute engine. Now you can model and track a live system, the behavior of the live systems in memory, and provide that feedback in sub-second speeds. I think everyone here in the room is probably familiar with the big three of in-memory computing: low latency, scalability, and high availability. You need to be able to have your applications respond fast, scale on demand, and fail over reliably. But beyond that, too, you always need to be able to serve the right data at the right time and have a consistent data model. Ease of use becomes critical when you need to keep your total cost of ownership low. It's got to be easy to deploy, easy to manage, easy to write applications to, and easy to self-heal and recover from failures. Now, I did have, on my way over here, an issue. I was able to check in just fine to come down to this conference, but it wasn't able to serve up my boarding pass right away. And I think it's just another example of how we have this immediate need on demand, our digital mobile world, still relying on these decades-old legacy back-end systems. So just to wrap it up, we now know we are living in a digital, more interconnected world. We do need operational intelligence to capture these immediate insights. And in memory computing, that's why we're all here, is that enabling technology. So I want to also thank, again, the organizers, because I think events like this are critical for driving the whole industry forward so we can capture perishable insights before the moment is lost. Thank you.